You know all that money you pay for red peppers? If you just leave them alone on the vine, they start out like that, and here you go, they turn red. Look at
Bell
this.
peppers did not make
Got
it.
one green one that's still over here with one little fresh green shoot from the green beans. I mean the peppers. Should have covered it up. I should have covered it up with a brown bag like I did that one for our lemon tree. But I didn't. And as you see, the part that I couldn't cover down here at the root for the tree, I mulched it up pretty high. And she made it. She made it through. Time to go ahead and pull all of these because I can go ahead and get seed from them now. And I planted green beans again because I was like, oh, the weather is still really nice. Let me take advantage of it. And here they are coming up. But I think I'm going to have to get them up and put them in the greenhouse. I put some more turnips out. Of course, nothing happened to them when we hit our cold freeze. So they are grown. Cabbage is coming along very well. It looks absolutely gorgeous. But look at here. My green beans did not make it. And I came out here to pull them up, but what I actually think I'm going to do is trim them a little bit. Because just true to Georgia fashion, it is going to be in the high 70s and sometimes 80 in the near future. And you see this stalk right here, it's still green, very green. So we might have some life to live a little bit more. Here's some turnips that I'm gonna pick for Thanksgiving. Ooh, got some good roots on them. So yeah, we're gonna get down in here and get some turnips for Thanksgiving. Collards are looking good. Brussels are looking good. Let me show you what it's looking like. You see that right in there? That is the formings, the beginnings of Brussels sprouts.